This is my karate journey. I'm a professional martial artist and also an international mountaineer. I started my martial arts at the age of 8. This is my first championship. It's a national championship. I got second place in that. I started my karate journey at the age of 8. I don't know what is international championships, world championships, Olympics, Asians. No idea even I was grown up. Later I got to know there is an international championship is going to be held in different countries. If we got gold medal, it is the biggest achievement in any sports person. So after knowing that, I practiced very hard, and for the first time I got an opportunity to participate in 2012 World Championship. But due to lack of funds, I have not participated in 2012 US World Championship. But I keep on doing hard work and going to sponsors. Finally, I got an opportunity in 2014 to represent India and to participate in 2014 London World Championship. So I finally went there. I was very happy. That is the first time I'm going on flight, reaching to some other country. That's the biggest country. And different people from different countries, different champions, previous champions from 2008 to 2014, the biggest champions, seeing them, and it's a very big thing to me. When I'm going to see my chart in a players list, for me and the opponent is from different country. After seeing the chart, my opponent is very happy that he got an opponent from India. Till to that date, no Indian got medal in World Martial Arts Championship. So it hurt me a lot and decided to get a medal at any cost. By the next day, I participated in the championship. I cleared this fight within 25 to 30 seconds and I entered into the next stage. Like that, journey started, and again I won the second fight, and again I won the third fight, and finally I went to the finals. Final fight I lost, but I got silver medal. First got to England, their motherland people. When I'm standing on the podium, I'm receiving medal, everything is going good, but a little bit unhappiness to me. I don't know what. After coming to India also, some people were happy, my coach was happy, everyone was happy. But I was very much unhappy. People are asking who got the gold, why you lost the final fight. I can't answer to anyone. But again I want to prove myself, and I participated in 2015 Spain World Championship and again lost, but I got bronze medal. For me, silver, bronze starlight and lost in the final. Again I participated in 2016 USA World Championship. And again I lost and I got bronze. And again I participated in 2017 Ireland World Championship and again lost. I got silver medal, one step upper, but not up to the mark. I was not happy. And in 2018 I am about to go and I'm going to my sponsor and they are saying, you are going to every World Championship and you are not doing any job, just you are playing, you should set a career, better to choose a job. You did well up to now, so better to stop this martial arts and stop playing, and better to choose a job. You can get a job with a sports part and everything, but people don't know what is my dream and all. Finally, my friends supported me in 2018 rather than sponsors. I went to 2018 Athens Greece World Championship. At that time, I decided why I am losing my fight at the last, going down to semi-finals, quarter-finals, I'm losing my fight. So I realized that I should attack more. So in 2018, from the first fight, I cleared every fight within the time. If the fight is for 3 minutes, I will clear in 1 minute, 2 minutes like that. I went up to the final fight with England. When I lost my first 2014 World Championship, the same person, I got again the opportunity to beat him in 2018. I cleared my fight in 20 seconds. So you can see. This is my fight. Okay. So I cleared my fight within 20 seconds, and for the first time, India, I got the gold medal. And the first person to take the gold in India. And this is the time I'm receiving my gold medal. The only reason from 2014 to 2018 I'm struggling to listen my national anthem when I'm standing on the first podium. That is the only reason I worked so hard from 2014 to 2018. After achieving in 2018 World Masters Championship, no one questioned me who got the gold medal. So finally I gave an answer. And again 2019 I got an opportunity to participate in 2019 Austria World Championship. And again people say to me, please don't go for this championship. If you lost the fight, again people will blame you that you got some marks like that. So I was like, yes, no, I will go and I will participate. I went to 2019 Austria World Championship and again I secured gold. Why this again I went because I listened a great quotation from APJ Abdul Kalam sir. If you win for the first time, you should win for the second time also. Otherwise, people think you got first win by luck, not by hard work. So I want to prove that I got my medal with 100% of hard work, not by luck. So I just went to the second world championship and again I got the gold medal. So coming to chapter 2. So like Bahubali 1, Bahubali 2, KGF 1, KGF 2. I have chapter 1 and chapter 2. One is my martial arts journey and second is my mountaineering journey. I'm an international mountaineer. I'm very much passionate in this mountaineer climbing hills and everything. I like rock climbing very much. But I was not aware and I don't know where to go to, for teaching, for training. I have zero knowledge. In 2015, I got to know in a news channel that Everest, some people were climbing Everest and it was very tough to climb and people will die in between going to Everest. That time it was triggered to me and I decided to go to Everest. But I don't know how to go, what is the training system, nothing. I said, I went to one of my friends who think he was very brilliant, even he don't know about Everest. So later I saw an ad in a newspaper that government of Andhra Pradesh is sponsoring for the young people who are interested in mountaineering. So okay, I went to that selection. They select out of many thousands of people, they select only 5. In that, there is a caste reservation, SC, ST, minority, female and all. I lost my hope, but I gave my best and I'm the first person selected in that list. I'm in the top 5, I'm the top 1. So finally I got selected. I went to 2018 Everest expedition from north side. Everest have 2 sides, one is north and one is south. North side is from China side and south side is from Nepal side. 2018 I went to north climb. I was up to 7,900 meters. Due to one of my friends was sick, he got some blood clot in his brain, so we should rescue him. Usually, people won't rescue a person from the above 7,000 meters, but we did, and finally saved him. We came back. I thought I was done a very good job by saving a life, but people start you can't climb the Everest. Everest will not accept anyone. Everest will accept only few people. Not everyone can climb Everest. Like that, I listened again. It was triggered to me, and I thought to go ahead. For Everest, the only thing like a middle class family, people like me, it costs 30 to 40 lakhs. And again, getting this 30 lakhs to climb a mountain is very difficult task for me. In between, in 2018, I tried Everest Summit. In 2019 and 18, I got a gold medal. So I got bit exposure, and again I got sponsors, 50% of Everest sponsorship. And again I went into 2021 Everest expedition. Again, started journey from Nepal to Pla. I climbed to base camp, and I started my Everest journey from there. The weather is very nice. We went for the first climb, we went for the first rotation. We have rotation camp 1, camp 2, camp 3 like that. Me and my Sherpa started after our rotations. We went for the summit push. We are at 8,000 meters. We take 6 hours rest and go for the summit. Everything is fine. I was physically fit and everything was to go. After going a few meters, almost to the summit, my Sherpa got fainted. He was bleeding from his mouth and nose. I don't know what to do. I'm seeking help from everyone. No one bothered. And people said he may die. My satellite phone is not working due to heavy cold. I can't remove my gloves because it's minus 40 to 50 degrees temperature. I don't know what to do, whether I should save life or should submit and I should come back. I took a decision to save him. I asked help, no one was helping me. I take his bag. We came up to 8,000 meters. I tried to contact the base camp. They said, you wait for 1 day. We sent another Sherpa to climb Everest. So again, wait for 24 hours and the only climber in the world who wait for 2 days, 8,000 meters with limited oxygen. So I'm struggling a lot to reach my goal. I waited for 1 day. Finally, one Sherpa came. He said, please gear up, we are going within an hour. Okay, I gear up and we are receiving some news from the top. Already with the team which I am going, 2 of my friends were dead in top while coming down. So people are rushing to rescue their bodies and all. And again my Sherpa said we should go down. The weather is not good, people are dying at the top of the mountain. So okay, we decided to go down, me and my Sherpa. When we are coming back, the weather is very bad. So we stopped in Camp 3. So we have no satellite phones, nothing. We have not reached the base camp. So what they thought, we may die. So they decided that Anish Sharma, climber from India, had died. And they returned the message and passed the base camp. So people thought I was dying. I went after 2 days to the base camp and I said, people were seeing me like new guy came to earth. I was shocked, right? This guy was seeing me like that. So finally I got to know that they declared that I was dead. So I said I was okay and they all are happy and they all give a big applause that I saved the Sherpa's life, sacrificing my summit and again coming back. So I got many calls and again I rescued and again I saved a life but I was not at the top of the mountain. But usually in Everest people will go for climb only once. The second time people usually don't go because we lost 10 to 12 kgs for the first climb only. I decided to go again and no one supported me and even Nepal government said at the time corona is very high 2021 May season. So they said you should come back and even in our base camp there are many cases and with whom people I am talking they are getting COVID. I was shocked. If I tested maybe I can get positive but yeah I'm okay. Okay and finally I decided to go for summit again. I informed to the base camp manager. They said it was not possible to any person to summit again. You already lost all kgs. You should know that. No, I said I will go and I got permission from them to climb again. So again we started to climb. We went up to Camp 2 again. Again weather changed. We waited for the 1 day, 2 days not clear, 3 days not clear, 4 days not clear, and the decision taken by Indian government to go back. So because I am in the team with 45 CRPF team, Central Armed Police Forces. There is a team leader, an IPS officer lady called Aparna, is a good mountaineer. And they said we should go back, the weather is not clear, people may die, we try for them a summit attempt. I said I will not come back, I will go. So they thought he's not listening, Okay, I decided, I waited for the 5th day, weather was not clear, 6th day, weather was not clear. Finally, 7th day, the weather was clear. We started climbing and only 5 to 6 people in the whole Everest. Everyone went down, everyone is moving. For help, no one is there. Only me and my Sherpa. We started climbing. And I want to reach the top in the night only, without daylight. So I am going so fast, I asked permission from my Sherpa, I move so fast because I want to reach by 3 am or 4 pm. He said, okay, if you can go, you can go. So I started climbing so fastly and I reached 4 o'clock at Hillary step we call, the most dangerous step. People usually die there. And I am suffering at Hillary step, I am not getting breathe properly, I am taking heavy breath and no Sherpa, no one, I can't see anyone in around and it was so dark. Finally after half an hour my Sherpa came and he saw that my oxygen cylinder was finished and immediately he changed and again I started. Finally at 5 am I reached the top of the Everest, I reached my goal. And he is a Sherpa who got wounded from his nose and mouth. I brought him down. And he is the second Sherpa which I am going with the second time. So finally I reached the top in June 1st when this 2021 season, my dream came true. This is my story. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I say anyway, అందరూ బాగుండాలి, అందులో రైతు ఉండాలి. Thank you.